they ask the reason why life they hard for Muslim. These are the things where they do, where they make life they harder. You blackmail person finish. You say me not come and come talk because why? A lovely no war we come at 95. We be say miss road for life. Lovely Ekioya is condemned forever. That will not be one of the other woman from my conversation. Hey, Lovely Ekioya, I'm wafie. That may God not let all the women in Europe be like Lovely Ekioya. That have documents that cannot go out for more than 30 years. And that one when they talk to me. That one we get Aduro passport. We not fit go as. See, all those ones not be even human being at all. You not even get husband. I see go more like before. You not ever see love your husband once. I beg you, cause you want kill all those ones. Cause you agbiyan yawo. All those ones are not talking from their sense. They are talking because of too much conji where they that my body. The day where anybody go scratch that one, that love the toto. If he piss on your mouth, I hear for all year forever. The squirting now for infinity squirting. He go squirt tire. He go the square, go the scream. Oh, that's lovely. May lovely you better knock one man just now. Here go come down. Lovely when they talk out of conji. Come on, when say lovely I may I call better person jare. Aye. Lovely now you might be that one. That one we go cook a goosey so a goosey go black. That one way he be like if they talk, here not the correct. Leave that mogo. Let Lovely TV wants to talk to us. Share this video, guys. Oh, soon can you imagine? That's our beautiful lady. Oh, this is WhatsApp. This will not be say she did on Facebook now. They use filter.
I know they use filter. I know they use filter too.
Oh, you know, Mama say, you know, Ije say, Mama, one more, Ije, you are older than me. Mama, you must say, Mama fair. Mama, guma. Please, guys, share this video. Yeah, Mama, we do your back, no level, nothing they happen. Almost will make careful. Almost will make careful. Or when no level, I don't know we had to bully. Mama, talk to us. We hear you.
Okay, you do your live video.
Yeah.
Oh, you know, one thing is, the English said, to whom the brain is given, wisdom is expected.
Exactly.
So since the lack of wisdom, I don't think there's anything else that he will do that will trick anybody anymore.
Okay.
What he wanted to do, he was to blackmail me so that I will not talk on Ognoba
issue. Yeah.
So, for him to know, I'm still on my leg, he can't distract me.
Kai.
But according to what she said, that I have been talking on ordinary ground, I don't know anybody.
Yeah.
That what I've been saying to you is lie. But please don't play anything, but you have the evidence that it's not lying. That's what I've won so far.
Yeah. No, I might play rock bao. You want Mama. You might play.
Yes, don't even play anything at all. Because for you to know that, I just give you that as an example. For you to know that this matter, I took it far.
Yes, now.
You know what I can do.
Hey, Mama, if I play that once yesterday, they for not sleep. Okay.
You not just play a matter.
Oh,
Not just play it. So what I want you to do now, I want you to get provoked. I want you to be provoked and paste whatsoever you have against me on social media. But if you fail to do, Baba will they cry. If you fail to do, because you are the one crying now,
exactly.
Baba will they cry. So if you fail to do, that means you are not a man.
Exactly.
You are not a human. So, you see why I did not topic anything to you on my platform, because I don't want it to be on social media alone. I want to deal with you legally.
Exactly.
Because nobody has ever dealt with you legally. Exactly. That is why you are still doing undoing.
Exactly.
If you have a lot of supporters supporting you for evil, because this Ognoba issue, many of them manifested from you.
Exactly.
Many of them graduated from you.
Exactly.
If the Ognoba seller can say that if you talk anything, she will come out and play something. That is why you was backing it up. Not that you are studying seller.
Yeah.
No, you are covering your own side of it. So your own side will not be exposed. which I have a lot of your videos also, which I am not aware of it. If I was aware of it, I would have taken it long.
Okay.
You know me. You knew me better. So what you are doing now, because I came out on this issue, because me and you have never have any issue. We never have any quarrel.
Exactly.
I have never messaged to you. Because you want me to join you to talk to our kingdom, which God forbid. That is why I said, because I did not join you now to talk against our kingdom.
Exactly.
You think that you will come out and threaten me.
Yeah.
I cannot stop call to threaten.
God bless you.
Nobody. According to you, you say you are 46. According to you. When I prove it to you now that your age is like a newborn baby.
40 waiting. Your muzzle was the guy is
going. That's what it says, that you are 46.
Almost with the
when I prove to you now that your age, you are just like a newborn baby. You are a kid. But what you are doing now, you need to know that you are a kid.
46.
But you say you are 46. That's what it says.
Jesus.
But me now, I tell you, now, as I said, prove yourself to me as a man. I said, I am going to deal with you physically and spiritually. I will not hide it.
Good. One more.
Physically and spiritually, I will not hide it. That's why I said, to whom the brain is giving, wisdom is expecting.
Exactly.
But you are lack of the two. You lack of wisdom, you don't even have brain. So, I want you, whatsoever, I am provoking you now.
Very good.
I want you, that's why I said, Baba, when they cry. Because I can't imagine you bring somebody out you were crying. I can't imagine. So please, I want you to put whatsoever you have about me. If it's pain that you have to beat our palace, please send it to the lady serve me paper. If it's against what people will say, shame on you, put it on your wall. Even if I'm not watching, even if I blocked you, I blocked your platform. If I unfollow you 4 months ago, you did not even know. That's to do, you know nothing.
Exactly.
You know nothing. I unfollowed you 4 months ago. 4 months ago, I followed your platforms. 4 months ago.
Oh.
4 months ago.
Yeah, I believe you, man.
But the thing is, I see something that you are doing, but I didn't know this so far.
No. Mozo is a devil.
I didn't know this so far. That you are not even a devil. You are worse than a Lucifer. You are worse than a Lucifer. So you, Lucifer is a worker to you. So I didn't know that so far that you are worse than this. At this junction now, if a woman is provoking you, you should know that you are worse than evident. Please, I tell you, but why will they cry? Because you are crying.
Exactly.
Please, whatever you have against me, post it on social media. I said, under 24 hours, you will be in Spanish jail, not Italy.
Kai.
Not Italy. You will come and serve the jail.
Amazwa. Post it. Post it.
And if you did not post it,
shit. If you did
not post it, if you did not post it, now I tell you. Because you wanted to brainwash me.
Exactly.
You wanted to manipulate me.
Exactly.
And you know that you wanted to intimidate me.
Exactly.
And you know me better. That nobody can intimidate me.
Wow. Action mama.
Nobody.
Action mama.
You see what I do? I don't do things with talking. I do with action. Because action speaks louder than voice.
Sure.
I took action immediately. I tell today now, and you have evidence of what is going on.
Everything. Every agreement,
I talk with action. I do action.
That's why they look at us or they laugh. Remember, I go out.
I talk with action. When I said I am making a call to have a chief Nipun, but then I think that I was lying. But thank God you have proof with you, okay?
Everything day, mama, here going.
I only prove that for them to know that I don't just talk or talking, I do. And I talk, I do. That's why I'm telling you now. If I cannot jail you here, not in Italy, in Spain, come in nobody. I said, come out on social media and testify.
Okay.
But one thing you are going to do is you will come out and insult and insult. You know what I can't it for?
Azubiya not here. Correct. Ha.
That's what you are doing there. If you are coming down every day, be ranting. You are ranting there. That's for being. That really know that I'm already on top of you. And mind you, physically, spiritually, the dreams and otherwise, you are under my feet. You are under my feet. So I don't like when you are ranting. Don't rant. Do action. I do my things with action. Please, whatsoever you have about me, if you want to come out, I wish I want to do saga. A lot of people have already warned me for saga.
Yeah.
If you don't get aware.
Yeah.
A lot of shifts call me, they don't really want it. I don't want to do it in my platform. I want to do it with saga with you, I will drive many women names out that you are dated, even if you don't have husband house.
Hey!
I will drive that.
Mama, I'm not like to Iona Moswo. Iona be Moswo be sleeping with married women, not once, not 2 times.
I have a lot of women that you are, even your followers there.
Beggar, only ya do a platform of our Moswo. No wonder. Kai.
I know. And how do I know? It's through you also, but you don't know. And I know through you.
Wow, what
it was through you I know. I knew them. Some of them are married. Some of them are married to me.
Kai.
So I know a lot of them. So I don't want to do it as a saga to you. No. If I sit down and message it to you, then I don't know what I'm doing.
Exactly.
So I cannot sit down and message to you. For me to even know you, for me to come to your way, it's not a mistake. God wants somebody that will come and put stop to what you are doing.
Exactly.
God needs somebody to send, to put stop to what you are doing. So that is why God sent me to you.
Exactly.
To put stop to what you are doing. And as from now henceforth, any woman you dated, apart from the one self-and-claim wife, get that English clear. Apart from the self-and-claim wife, every other one you bring out again, I will sue you for it. Every other one you bring out again. You know why I call self-and-claim wives? This is self-and-claim wife because you married her with your shadow alone because you don't see anything like family or anything picture.
At all.
So that's why I say she is your self-and-claim wife. It's self-and-claim. It's nothing like married there. Because if you are married as a married man, you should be focused on your wife. So this is what in the daughter open a.
Yeah.
Since the woman you said you self-and-claim married, you said she didn't what? Now what do? You are haunting your ex outside. Because you yourself knew, you can tell yourself that not she didn't have the level you think that she have. She's not what you think that she is.
When I go back by and I like you're not going by. This is what I want.
You're not focusing on the earth. Because I did not mention anything to you. I have not talked to you. You see how God punished you. You have been doing, and I've been avoiding you.
Share this video.
I don't want to call it a dungeon. I've been avoiding you. I avoid you a lot. You yourself, you know. I don't want to talk far that I avoid you so much. But since now, you said you are a bad egg.
Yeah.
And I'm going to make sure that you regret.
Yeah. Moswo. Yeah, you know like remember your boy Mono Infinity Saga, you get.
On social media. No. Because according to him, I saw one video that in one blog out. You said we are recruiting people to fight you. Let me tell you one thing you don't know. If I want to recruit people to fight you, I'm looking like a king.
Exactly.
I'm not up to rat.
Exactly.
So I don't need to recruit. Why am I recruiting people? To fight who?
If I need an
I can deal with you. I can deal with you with just only finger. So why am I recruiting people? Because you don't have power, you don't have strength. That's why you are recruiting people. I did not recruit anybody. I only praise the people that stand for our kingdom.
Exactly.
Jesus said, who are my brothers? Said, those that are doing the things which my father. Those are my brothers.
Right down. Share this video. Thumbs up.
Those are my brothers. The one that is fighting for our kingdom, I back them up. And everyone that is fighting for our kingdom, I will always back them up. But you wanted me to join you to throw to our kingdom. I said, God forbid.
Exactly.
I said, God forbid. That is why you begin to make.
Oh, you take you went back when you were here to go your barn here, your barn.
No reason. And I can never bear that name. I know how many sheep that I call that you pick my call.
Love and like guys on this video.
In one hand, when I call, they know my voice and they recognize me. They respect my word. That's all of them stop me not to do any saga again. They stop me, a lot of chief, even a lot of look at you aware.
Where you go? Mama, when we what a man where God David wa. Area no me. We not pay ya. Finish, Mama. Of who?
You said we're recruiting people. You should be ashamed of yourself.
Kai, on a me
for saying that we are recruiting people. For saying that me, I am recruiting people. You should be ashamed of yourself. You know me better. You know me. I don't need to recruit. With finger, I can pull you down with my finger.
Exactly.
Just my finger, I can pull you down. I don't need to recruit. But the people I recruit that will fight you is my unique cow that I summons you to. The Indian no people if you want to do, and I summons you to beware. Indian no you can do is I summons you to. When Larry, no beware you wear, a summons you wear now. Even not you wear.
Exactly. Udawo get twagbe.
Because enough of your nonsense, enough of your nuisance. You are being constituting. You are a complete nuisance. You don't know that even when you have me by your side, you know what you see, what you gain. Okay. I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk.
Oh man, say what, Mama? You know you to carry. Almost what you not feel blackmail this woman for my president. No work.
Legally.
You know work.
You worthless. You are worthless. If you are renting in your platform, you are worthless. Please, let me and you deal this issue by action.
By action, thank you.
Mama. To do it by action. Not by talking. I don't need talking. If I want to do something, I will not talk.
Yeah.
But when I begin to talk with you now, I cannot do it more than that. Today, they would have bring you from this alley to me. A lot of people have called me, a lot of chiefs have called me that I should give you time to post whatever I want to post out.
Exactly.
Today. You know that you are aware.
Akabo.
Today, they would have brought you to speak today. You would have gone to speak today. Today, when I came to your house, I came with flight. I came down in airport. You were there. You come there with your friends to pick me up from the airport. I don't want to make sure anything. You see me, you know the level, you know how I came. You know me personal. Were you not happy? But why are you crying now? I still place you as a S. I have never disturbed you for once. Sometimes we do talk. But what I did is I desist from your page for not committing there again. You know why I desist from your page? Because you was insulting my papa. That is when I stopped commenting in your platform. That's the only thing I did. Because I know that one day my papa will come there and see my right up there. He will be annoyed. He will grow anger for me. That is the only time I stopped commenting in your platform. But I did not block your phone. We were still talking sometimes. The day you won't self and claim that you have documents. I celebrated you. You said that I was a fool. I was not a fool. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. I know I'm going to catch you unaware. I am going to catch you unaware. The time you did not expect me. The time you did not expect me, I will catch you.
Agbo, Maswo, baby. Agbo, have you well? Agbo, have you well?
Document that you say you have. You have had them, and you know me better. The Mugu inside all here is you. Because you are jumping from fire to fire. You are jumping from trouble to trouble, problem to problem every day. And that is my prayer to you. You must be jumping from problem to problem.
Yeah.
That's my
Mother, share this video for me.
Everyone that will pray for you, and I command, I decree and I declare, all the prayer people are praying for you, sooner or later, I told them to curse.
Amen. Oh, you're good. You're good. You're good.
All your days in life, I told them to curse. Unless if you were not born by a woman, unless if you don't have a father, but if you were born by a woman and you must have a father, all your days is cursed.
Iye koeti Osayemere is his name.
I prayed for you before, and everyone that will still pray for you, I declare, Bible says, whatsoever we decree on earth, it shall be decreed in heaven, and whatever we bound on earth shall be bound on heaven. I declare and I decree, all the prayer that people are praying for you, I told them to curse. They have done curse. And whatsoever you have, you are dead, but you know you were setting. Any cow who does the Akbama already nearly nicking about in your take.
Oh, yeah, wow.
Nearly meaning we are the Beijing. A Boarini or say. You don't know who you are dealing with. I said I'm going to face it physically and spiritually. Oh, now you see how I dare you. A woman dare you now. That whatever you have, paste it out.
Yeah, what hello. Oh, what hello. I had to post it.
You don't put it when you can hear boy.
Kai. A bond.
You see when I because a woman will know you go to.
Oh, we have one. Osayemere Yikotin. Yegbi say yo.
First. Me, I don't know your name. The name I know is Baba will they cry. Because you are crying. Baba will they cry. You see me now, you broke my heart. I am not the mama with this man. Catch it.
Exactly.
What a life.
Kai.
What a life.
Mozo.
Please, I know you lack of knowledge and you lack of education, you lack of wisdom. I wish you have these things. You would have control for yourself. You don't control yourself at all. You talk anyhow. You do things anyhow. When you was talking about Becky, if you come out, say if I did not warn you about Becky, it would be your bonfire.
Okay. Oh.
If I did not warn you about
Becky, what do say na ya you na me why?
I warned him about Becky. If let's come out and say what I told you about Becky, not me that will say.
I'm not also.
But what I told you was strong about Becky.
Okay.
So let things come out and say it.
Okay.
Now this is what I told you about Becky.
Okay.
If you lie, when you can you to see women. When you tornado, not see women. When you take up your tea women.
Okay.
When you two more that tea women.
Maswell, you never see anything. Yeah, no, yeah, remember your ball. Who do you have fully boy?
Yes. I don't want to come out to do
something. I got you, my brother. I got you.
No.
Maswell, you go explain that you have no evidence.
I did not come down to sit down to begin to message to you. That means I am not putting myself on the same level with you. I won't do that.
Exactly. You like to do your more.
Silence is the best has given to a fool. I know you are a foolish man.
Hey, yeah, Maswell, don't post in the world.
You have no wisdom. Please, I want you to post. I already cursed you if you did not post. Since you lack of wisdom, I did not talk to you. I did not message to you. I avoided you for so long. I avoided you for so long. But now that you know that this global issue have come out, and this gay question graduated from you. She graduated, she learned from you.
Yes, now, Maswell is an Oviomba now, full-time Oviomba.
You now came out because you know what I can do. You now came out, you focus on me. People talk in this issue, not only me. How can you focus on only
me? Because that's why he focused on you.
Not only that, he know he will suck or he will suck on the threatening. He know me. He know me for it. Or he will suck on the threatening. No, I don't suck on. When you threaten me, you worsen everything. When you threaten me, you know nothing you don't know. About what they cry. Nothing you don't know. I'm not a married woman.
Exactly.
No. I'm not a married woman. And when you come to me, when I was at my family is aware, you know, part of my family is aware of it.
Okay, Mama, part of the family of you was aware that Omozwa was dating you.
Yes. It's not easy. It was not easy.
What are we are?
It was not easy.
What are we are?
It was not a hidden thing, no.
But I promise you were married, yeah.
When he talked about marriage, when he told me, he said, I will marry you, but what I'm going to do is let's start dating. Then the day I accepted him after he begged, after the enough begging.
Mama, how many months are you to still?
Before we met, it was 3 months.
Mama, you try, you resist her for 3 months.
Then, the very day I accepted you, I told you, you swear, but you have forgotten. That if you eventually bring it to social media.
Okay. Begay.
God forbid.
Mama.
Said God forbid. When I went to your place, you go to ask him, if I am hiding, did I not demand that we should do video together? You said no. I demanded that we should do video together when I was in your place.
Because or keep you where you in and or no,
I demand him that we should do video together when I was in the place.
But he did not accept.
He did not accept. If I was hiding, for example, why did I demand that we should do video together?
Yeah, because you are not a married woman.
Why did I demand that we should do video together? You know, you have talked to my children. He knows. I was not hiding. He knows.
You know,
the person supposed to do this too. The one that dates you hiding. Maybe this thing was a hidden. He was never a hidden.
No. Easy, man.
That's why I said yesterday that if I am the one that came to you, I said, may my days turn upside down. But if you are the one that comes to me, you came to me, may your days turn problem upon problem.
Amen. Amen. Amen.
May your days turn earthquake. May your days turn disaster. May your days turn disaster if you are not the one that comes to me. May your days turn disaster.
This is...
So, you see why I am not ashamed of whatever you are going to do. You see, you know everything. That's why you see, the people are talking to me, the people are joining into do saga. We know I'm not ashamed, because it was not a hidden thing. It was never a hidden. No. I am more than that stage. To do something I had, no. I can never date any man that one of my family or 2 or 3 will not know.
Yeah.
Never.
That don't, Mama.
And if I choose to date any man, there is no born of a woman on this earth that will come and question me.
Exactly.
It's only God that can judge me.
This why I will care who on Mama, what I want.
Nobody that will come and question me because I have no explanation to anybody. But now, if you are still self-acclaiming marriage, and you are still focusing on your ex, you should be ashamed of yourself. And your self-acclaimed wife should be ashamed of herself also.
Hi. We go.
She should be ashamed of herself also.
Because now,
when we left each each other before you marry.
Yeah.
After you're married, you're supposed to focus on your marriage. You're supposed to do that so that your heirs will be seeing you as now you are not a prominent man, for example.
Exactly.
But at the end, we see that among your heirs, you are the least among them.
Kai.
Among your heirs, you are the least among your heirs. That is to show that
I must not believe yeah. Big I must not believe
I didn't want to reply you. I didn't want to reply. The thing that I was afraid of you, which you know me very well.
Yeah.
That I will just ignore you. I look you as a baby when you start doing it. Say, oh, this guy is just a baby, not the way I think. That's why I ignore you. Ever since you was started pulling me out, you try intimidating me. But mind you, you are too small to intimidate me.
Akabo.
Thank God that the old chief, they are seeing what is happening. That's why they told me yesterday to calm down.
Sure.
Today, you should have come to speak today. A lot of chiefs called me yesterday that I should let him post his face. Because one thing now, we know more problem when already. Because you me don't know where. Because the mother about feel to one of what.
Yeah. Exactly. We're tiny. Hey no.
The reason why we're fighting is that because I'm supposed to back you up. That's the reason. I wish I back you up. I would have still been the best.
Correct.
In your hand.
Correct.
I would have still been the best. Since I did not back you up to throw more to our palace, to our kingdom, to our empire, to Ubini no Peru, Igodomi Godo, Edoni Lebiru. You are too small.
Very small.
You not come after me. For you to come after me, it's just like when a bicycle is going after Madize. When a bicycle is going after Madize, so what will you will be the end? It will be no trace of the disaster. So whatsoever you have about me, I don't rant in because you're already falling down. What you are doing there, the view you have there, the real view you have is no more than 100, 110, it's no more than that. The rest is buying. You are boosting your video. You are just boosting your video. All of this is boosting. Because nobody is pushing you anymore. Nobody send you anymore. Nobody send you anymore because it doesn't make sense again.
At all.
You don't make sense to anybody again. What you are doing, you are fooling yourself. And I will pray, may you continue to fool yourself so that the whole world will know who you are. May you continue to fool yourself to infinity.
Amen. What baby? Amen.
To fool yourself to infinity so the whole world will know who you are.
Exactly. Wow, my
Can't you imagine that? That's why I said that the self-acclaimed one should be ashamed of herself.
Very ashamed.
He's trying out over the S.
Almost very confused. A husband
is crying over S. What is that? You can continue crying. You continue insulting yourself. All the insult is going back to your home in there. It's stealing your food. Now, Asiwana, you are homeless. I know everything about you. I know everything about you.
I know everything about
you. But you know what I'm going to do you? I will talk to the Mediterranean Sea. I will drunk you there.
Exactly.
I will make sure you drown in the Mediterranean Sea. That's what I'm going to do to you.
Exactly.
I said, this thing, what way you are going to stop this nonsense?
Exactly.
Enough nonsense.
He was jealous of me.
I am not going to open my page for you and to reply you. I am not good. If I do that, that means I don't mean what I'm going to do with you. I don't mean it. If I open my page, it's to just laugh and dance. It's to laugh and dance.
I stand with this woman.
The day I accepted you, you was happy. You was celebrating. I stopped you. I said, don't do live video if you want me to come to your place. That time was the time you stopped live video. When the Noge said, almost or buy live video, the angry boy, you know that. That was the time I thought you not to do live video.
Kai, see condition. Mama, when you accept and finish, you can't still tell her, say, May not do live video if you want me to come. May not do saga if you want me to come. May you go play.
Yeah, that was the time he stopped. Go and you do that. You do that. And when you ask the question that time.
Yeah.
No, I'm talking about last year. This is not this year. It's last year.
I know.
Last year.
I remember.
When you do video, that you said, why does they not do video again? It was when I told you to stop video. I said, stop saga if you want to see me. That's when you stop saga. After I bought a ticket, then there was something you did. I said, I'm not coming again. All you write up is still with me. When you tell me, you beg for me to come again. You beg, I should please forgive you. I still have the right up. I have everything.
On a
I have everything.
A mama on a policy.
So, you know me that you can't condition me. No. You cannot condition me. I give you condition and you abide to it. That was the reason why I even accepted you. For that thing that you are changing already. People noticed that time that you did not do video. That was last year. You did not do video again. You did not do saga. You only come out and dance. You don't even. I won't show you not to drink on live video. There was a time you stopped drinking on live video. People were not telling that. Oh, you want me? You do the video. Enoge, when you said that I'm going to live video.
Hey, what about Mema? What about Mema? We need more one more
drink again in live video. When you now said I'm going to live video. That was the time I banned it on drink again in live video.
Please, guys, toss up and share.
That was the time he was carrying bottle of water in live video. It was using a bottle of water.
So that.
Yeah. So, you cannot condition me.
Wow.
Because it's not an easy thing.
I'm not
going to be shame to me. It's not going to be shame to me. I have never been married once.
That is it. That's true.
I was with a man and I have children. But
true.
I have no man have ever paid my bride price and no man have ever done marriage for me.
That's true.
But when I was a man that I have children for, I was 16 good years with him. 16 good years. My mother brought both of us. I have never cheated. He himself know about it.
Yeah, very.
You know about it. I requested my mother to bring both of us. So my mother brought both of us.
No. No sake.
It's not saying no. He's saying it. You think it's going to be ashamed? No. Since we left each other, it has been long, not 10 years. Not 10 years since we left each other.
Agma, few months one more time.
So, if you are shaming, you are shaming yourself and you are fooling yourself. Let's start with how you fool yourself. The Abeyuwa you was denying, you also came out, you beat Abeyuwa on live video. That's shame on you.
Shame on her, shame on him.
Second, I don't know when you want the word transfer between you and Proud Mom. I did not even want I don't know anything that could transpire, but I heard that you also beat her on live video.
Exactly.
Then later, when Becky O came, I called you. I did not watch. You said I did not watch all your videos. I cannot be watching all. So that I will just meet you at the middle. I will just come and leave. Every other thing you said, I will not be there again. Then Becky, that's number 3. The first thing you beat was the woman.
Network.
The woman that gave birth to your son in Nigeria. I want to claim yesterday that you have never beat her one day on social media. You talk about the family on social media. You insulted the family on social media.
Yeah.
So, if you can do that to the woman that you bought for you, to all your ex, then what will make you to think you are going to stop? But people are not cutting it for me that this is what this guy has been doing. Because to me, it looked like it's strange. Because when you came to me, I did not know you did this much. When I said to stop saga, you really did. When I said to stop drinking drinks in live videos, you did. I was saying that you have changed and you will change.
Ew.
And what you told me that what is why you are doing me that because you don't have documents, when you have documents, you're going to stop all these things. When you are working, you will stop all these things. That's what you promise. But if you are not saying, I don't know how time will come, I was there. It's only when after you were waiting for the land, I was not there. When you were talking about the land. What you did last yesterday, when you were talking about the Nogi, Moko, Ogwa, something like that, is what I know. And what did I go to say? Nogi, no. I'm going to go and say, advice.
Correct.
Will not be let's say bonnet. What the same thing I told you, investor, about Omega. In a way, let's say bonnet, advice. The same thing I told him about look to take on. Now let's say bonnet, advice. Don't move Ariogua is a war. No. Let's say bonnet. If I want to, I can talk to without insulting you. There is change how you do this. You talk diplomatic. Make your words be polite. Make your words. If you are insulting somebody, no person will not pick nothing from that thing you are saying because the insult is too much. Then you will advise that person very polite to that person, then he will take it than insulting him. That's what I told you. You said I did not wash. When you insulted him, I did not wash. But the only thing I told you, I said, if you take on away, they must be foolish. Okay, that's what I told you. Because me, I will not allow it. And one part, we are still ready to take on one part. Oh, more run up to take on. So I will not be over to him. I will not see me with him. No view. Even if you would not take on a one. No view on one. No, no, Yahweh. Since you start doing this to women, what are not bury any cow Yahweh can do. And then book Yahweh here. And then there's a Yahweh here. We have one. Put a crowd of Yahweh here. Oh, why don't I not make Yahweh here? We have Yahweh here. We read to you fair. He put that no. Okay, Yahweh, you not bury no. But not bury no trust. Okay, Yahweh, here because you have been doing so much. And if you not promise me that you are not going to bring this to social media, if you did not promise me all this thing will not enter you. If you did not promise me all this thing will not enter you. But if you make a promise, may your days be fire. May your days be fire. May your days counted as the most correct, not only correct people, so that you will share at Selu psychiatric, not in Europe. You will be deported to Selu psychiatric. So now that I have come now, for the people that are going to join you to saga me, I am not, you know what? I am a public figure right from time. Right from time. I know how to endure people. I know how to be patient in the issue like this. I know how to ignore things like this. I ignore because people must talk. I cannot expect everybody to join me. Neither everybody will join you. Because people said, Mama, I don't get you guys. We all see things on different perspectives. And we all handle issues on different perspectives.
Exactly.
So I saw this thing that concerned my kingdom. I am not going to say because the person that brought it out is your enemy, as you claim. Because the enemy in social media, the confusion is you. I don't really cry. The confusion is you. The enemy on this social media is you. The confusion is you. And you have ever remained Ogyomba for that video you did.
For life, forever, ever, no.
So you cannot escape me. Home and abroad, you can't escape me. Now, I said, post everything you have on social media. If you know you are a real man, if you know you are a real man, I'm going to take it over from there, and that I'm going to deal it with you physically and spiritually. Now I tell you, because you are a nuisance. You are wayward is a character to you. That one is not it's a character to you. And I did not even know that you are so daft to this.
Kai.
That you have nothing upstairs. Nothing. And you now I can see how you are too tall. I was thinking that when I talked to you about Becky, you have stopped all these things. Never knew that. No, because of my opposite. But I told you, in my own case now, I said I am going to change it for you.
Change it. I
am going to make sure that you will not do it anymore.
That's
why I said. Because you are too local. It really shows that you are too local. A lot of people are coming from Italy. They have been telling me a news that you have dated in Italy. I am not even aware about this. This guy have a bad character in Roma there. People have called me since. Men and women have called me since from Roma. People have called me since. I was like, what's going on? But you know what thing? One woman told me, is an advanced woman. She said,
yeah.
Because for you to go to this guy's life, it was never by mistake. It was God was wanting you to send
exactly.
to you as a devil
exactly.
to stop this thing.
Exactly.
And I come to you, I'm going to pack everything that belongs to you to erosion. Erosion will push them to Mediterranean Sea.
Amese, how where they call Amese, where they call Amuhe, one of Madrid. The matter come based. As the matter come now, pinch this woman, how far?
I don't even know how.
What we have seen. Now this man talk, say, Amese, so person they don't have so go this go one they call my what they call Moscow. Don't have pinch on. So but not simple give me, you let give me information. So due to the information you give me, I don't think come blast the Moscow there. Rather use Breno. And there's
about 2 kids, I don't know how they do. See what they talk.
He pitched 5 vision for me. He pitched 5 vision. He pinned the Moscow. He pinned the Jackie Sula. So he pitched some other men. You understand? So what I boss there and come and say, call me, Jackie Sula, Don Moscow. This one, call them. Don Moscow call. You understand? Don Moscow can't call me. Don Moscow explain himself. Say, hey, you don't sleep with myself. You don't say where you know. You don't talk to myself issue. Blah 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 blah. I said, okay, no problem. Babash. Because no evidence to back down, no evidence. Now I put that one. You understand? Now I put the Moscow. That was the first time I drag the Moscow. I can't put the Moscow. He called me. He explained himself. Now I leave the Moscow. Bam. Oh, but this one has 5 inches on the phone with Duga. 5 inches come on. So go the brig with you come. Go bring next to the paper. This is the come and bring back for me. I send it to the blue film. This is the use blue film. Knock. Not come since then. Not come since then. I'm coming. Isha. Let it not watch the film. Let it not blink, bam. Let it not come in. After it not come finish. Next time don't come, he said, my friend, what's the meaning of this? I said, you man. You never come. You don't come. Don't watch the things. You don't come. And you're going to call me. My friend, go and sleep. You don't come. This man don't make it right, swear. But did you come? I said, did you not come finish? But you might want to call me. Nah, boom. They could have never went in the town, so. They could have just said, remember, everything I talk to. Because he came here with the go. This one I talk to, I was still living in one room, set for 10. You understand? This is what I if you record, they put an end call. Me, I don't feel it. I don't feel it so many talk. Summarize what you want to talk. Sharp. I don't use my brain calculate. I know where the head they go. Give me proof. When I get proof, I know I leave the rest for me. I don't want to drag the person. You understand? That one and I walk. Okay, fine. This woman, okay, no, lots. Me, I only like the record. How many memory card? How many memory I can want the record? Now, when I record that, don't you go tell me where I go forget. I get it from my brain. That's why they cure this no matter. But last time they do this what do they call her? This woman where that's so big. That's so the person carrying next to the church for a stable church.
Now, madam, a one room self-contained will not do right here. Mama.
The house is 1 room. Well, it's 2 rooms. Let's say it's 2 rooms. The second room is just it's a small room. That's what they make a studio.
Okay.
Just a small room.
Okay.
Then you have a parlor.
Okay.
Yeah, it's let's say 1 room and a half. Because the other one is just like it's the other way you put the studio. That's finished.
1 room and a half.
That's 1 room and a half. The other place is not too big room. No, it's not too big like that.
A woman live here with the days in Nugbewa. We don't know a kebab.
A kebab, but we.
Kebab. Kebab in guy.
You wanna get a liver, you know, your man, we got liver in the water, my decay.
Oh, we have go as we have go.
Maybe kebab bow away. Oh, man, yeah, man, me about you away. Okay, no one been the mile of your logo.
Okay, Mama. Where see Mama? Otari Yaro.
Oh, the other thing near Taliban. You are just over me now. I don't know
Mama, when you're part of me, Mama,
because you know why you know women are here. The thing we want to you are beating around the bush.
Yeah, Mama, hey.
One, it's an Mama. Here's another bank.
Okay.
When Moscow issue came out, I did not send it to only him. I said a lot of people have it. I even broadcast it on my platform that whoever that needs it should call me.
Okay.
I'll send it to them. I broadcast it on my platform. I did not send it to only him. I even sent it to if you can't know the premier.
We never know Omozwo. Omozwo is a liar. I've done it all.
No, we don't even carry this club with premier. Okay.
A few ton around. It may not be a bon on Bremen. Okay, the miniature. Okay.
So I sent it to them also. I sent it to a party also. I sent to a lot of people because I even announced it on my platform. So whoever that needs it, let me send it to you. I announced it in my platform. A lot of them was calling. I sent it to them. I sent to a lot of people because I announced it on my platform.
Yeah.
When Jackie for the beginning, when he brought it out, I was not aware of it.
Yeah.
I don't see him talking about it in the last year. The only one I know about Jackie was this one we did this period. I was just about a few months ago now.
Yeah. Then
I also announced that whoever that want to talk about it, I will send it to them. Which I really send it to them, not only him.
Okay.
About it is away.
Okay.
Not only him. I said to them, people that are interested, I say, if you are interested, call me.
Yeah.
I will send it to you. Then I send it to them. I have them in my phone.
A phone?
So, all the things you are just saying, you are beating around the bush.
Mama, Wesley. Thank you.
The beginning when they talk about Moscow, I was the one that added Moscow to the call with him.
Mama G, we might need that explanation now.
So I don't need that. The only thing I wanted to do is just running mad.
If you're going to tell me,
you don't treat man.
If you're going to tell me, Mama.
Whatever I want you to do.
Yes.
You are only street man. Now, it's obvious that you are restless.
You
are not explaining. Please, tell them if I am the one that chase you or you are the one that chase me.
Exactly.
And you click on it.
Or you toast. Now, later with the name, you chase the name where I got with the name there.
Yes. And who call? You call me, I call you. Have you ever seen me at the night? I did not know you at all. I have never seen them at the night. 2 presenters that have toasted me, I have said on my live video several times with that number. I said the other one, you chased me, but I did not accept it. That's why you was crying. I said it.
How many he? My man only.
You know that is a journey there.
Yeah.
I mean, I walk out.
Ajabo.
That also was toasting also. So I might shit to say it. I'm telling you that number.
Yeah, cool.
You think that me I had anything?
Almost what we are good. We are good. Mama, where's the ye?
I have done this many times in my platform here.
Yes,
and even since then,
yeah.
If anybody have video where I deny that I did not go to Baba with the cry house, the person wants to post it out where I deny.
Okay.
The first video I did, when I mentioned to my Okagbe, I said my Okagbe should go and collect bride price from Baba with the cry. So, have I ever denied before? I will never deny what I know. Because I know myself. No, you. That is why that one was told that I did not come to him, I come to you. That's why I said that you know the person. Because you know that I don't tell him that you also are posting me. Both of you know you guys know yourself.
I talk where's the mama?
You guys know yourself. You tell me anything. I am not here to follow you to jump up and down like you are not dancing again and bruised together. You see you now, I have give you wrestling. You are dancing again and bruised together. At the same time, which will not work. Reggae and blues all go together.
It's true.
They both are song, but they dance a different form.
Very true.
So please, what I want you to do, don't begin to explain. You will explain. You go to get ethic. This time around, you will also jump. You go to jump. This one you will jump car wash, not only car again. You go to jump car wash.
We'll see.
So what I say is, whatever you have, stop explaining because you are fooling yourself.
Very true, ma.
You are fooling yourself. Whatever you have, if you are a real man, post it on her.
Exactly.
I am still telling you. If you are a real man, post it on her. If I were, for example, if I were you, I will never explain to anybody. I would not post it once. I would test and see what I will do.
Exactly.
Test and see.
Exactly.
I will just post it on her. If I were you, I will not talk. I will post it on her. But if you are not, that means you are already afraid of me. Baba will they cry. If I continue crying till that kid don't come. You go explain, tire, no evidence. For this very issue, you are going to learn the very hard way. But please, nobody to change it to saga. We are still on Ogyoba matter.
Exactly.
So nobody can distract me.
At all.
You can't distract me. We are still on Ogyoba matter. Please, any video you have that anybody at all have did, please forward it to me. If you have their house address, forward it to me. The person are you so honey, you put that honey. I don't just talk, I'm not talking at all. So, if you still have any other videos, send it to me. Say if you have the house address in Nigeria, send it to me. And anywhere you know that we can locate them, even one of their members of their family at all, please forward it to me, and I'll be passing it crossover. Thank God the vector, I'll give you this number that you also be sending it also.
Kakabo, yeah, sure.
Yes. So they send it to investor, you send it to me.
Everything
all the video will pass over.
Everything going.
Yes.
Mama.
We're passing it. When I can send now, investor is aware.
Yes. Everything. Going. Everything going.
So the rest, first send it to me. And if you know their house address in Nigeria, any of their family member in Nigeria, send it to me. If you like it be their Kagbe house, if you like it be their cousin house, if you like it be their Yenogomo house, provided it's one of their members of the family who can from there locate them, send it to me.
Exactly.
Please send it to me or send it to investor.
Where's
you get to where it's going to.
Where's
you? You have the number also.
Where's the mama?
So,
where's it?
Remember when they cry, you can put. I'm going to leave you now to continue crying.
Thank you, mama. Where's you?
But me, I'm going to play music in my place now.
Okay.
So I'm going to let you cry.
Thank you.
Me, I will pinch you until you paste everything out. But if you fail to paste, it's a shame that you are afraid of a woman. It's a shame unto you. When the man begins to be afraid of a woman, that means it's a shame unto you. The man not shame of. So you're not afraid of me. But now, you see what I do to you now. You are restless. You talked yesterday. I've blocked people are watching you that you talked in the dent. Very early this morning, you have run out. Let me pass one message to you. Baba will cry. Soon or later, the self-acclaimed wife, we are also going to analyze her on social media. Soon or later, to whom the brain is giving, wisdom is expected. So, soon or later, she should know that also our own is coming very soon.
Sure.
If you can bring the one that born, the one you married legally, but this one is not marriage, no, this one is self-acclaimed. This one is self-acclaimed marriage. But the one you married legally, you can disgrace that woman on social media. So this one we are expecting from her. So right now, at this junction now, I am going to leave you to cry until peace reign in our kingdom.
You know where you came, Mama. I might be almost Agbeo.
If you say that me I'm recruiting, you are too small for me to recruit. I said with just finger, I can pull you down with just my finger.
Exactly.
Nothing what you are going to say. But whatever you are saying to anybody that's watching you there, nobody are feeding me. And nobody can remove my post from me. I have my post. Thank God that if that's so you know that I have my post someone abroad.
Mama.
So whoever you are talking to there.
Even yafe na yagbomozwo we are follow lead me we abere agbomozwo la wa Facebook na we wa follow lead me. Ma iye wa wenya yagbon ye wa ya we o la stream ma do ye onu we do gun we ma oni ye do post we dey yen omozwo since we ma onu go na have peace
no post. This is all live stream. Let me talk to him now that he's live screening. Now what you are saying about Moscow, I did not say it to only you. It's a lot of people. One about this present one, the first one, I'm not aware of it. I'm not aware of the first one. The second one, I also said it to a lot of people, not only you. So please, Baba, when they cry, Baba, when they cry, stop crying. Best whatever you have about me on social media. Let me take it over from there, spiritually, physically, in the dreams and otherwise. Let me take it over from there. And let me, since you are like screening now, let me tell you, so you are self-acclaimed wife. I said, to whom brain is given, wisdom is expected. But you lack of wisdom. Now I'm telling you now, whatever you have about me, paste it on social media. I said, if I cannot deal with you on this social media, you will know that I am not the one speaking. You know me very well. And when they are saying that I came to you with a flavor, you know when I came to you, you came to pick me in the airport. The truth is that when I came to pick me in the airport, I don't travel by that. I have my everything with me. Even I was in your house. Even the director of my bank knows that I was in your house. Even the director of my bank called me. I even told the director of my bank where I am. You asked me, say, how could the director call me from my bank? Sir, the director know what I call you from my bank. You know, my director of my bank, no. I did not do that. So, now that you are watching me, if you are a real man, both of you have about me on social media, stop explaining. You didn't make sense to anybody. You are not making sense to anybody. You are fooling yourself.
Exactly. You
are ashamed of yourself. You are a disgrace as a man. You are so disgusting. And let me tell you, your days are false.
Very, very.
So stop explaining. You are fooling yourself. You are fooling yourself. So continue now. I said, if I did not deal with you, I said, post it on social media. I'm not saying only Europe. Because me, I'm going to deal with you woman abroad.
Okay.
Not only Europe. I said, press it on social media. You see, I'm going to use to say, that doesn't make sense. That will show that you are a kid. That you are a kid. Have you ever heard go to say, if you don't go, those are your ways, those are the ways of illiterate.
Exactly.
Because you are illiterate, you are too bad. You are illiterate.
Yeah, what talk about mama?
You need to go and give yourself a wisdom.
You
are lack of wisdom.
You even so
how are you going to be? And the same you that said, you press over this heart, saying you are crying for my sake.
Exactly.
Why are you crying? You guys should be calling Baba when they cry. Ask him why is he crying. Because you're no longer smiling. You are crying for your head. Self-acclaimed wife should be ashamed of herself.
At you now.
You are crying for help. If else I've given you a restless thing. You are restless. A married man is still focusing on the S. What a shame. Taboo. So why would they cry? Baba will they cry. Continue crying. Since I continue to resist you since. And I have been ignoring you. But you see that you want to do your worst. And me, I am now ready to drag you to the mold. I am ready, home and abroad. Try. I will tell you what I have with the Spanish government.
Exactly.
I will tell you, for a woman to be recognized in the government in Spain, you know that something got there.
Exactly.
But when you said that I'm talking, Enogi, or we on the room, and then level, but Enogi, I saw it now. That is the pain. Your pain is everlasting. Your pain is real. Because you know why? You are so confused as a human being. You are confused. And you are too dull to call yourself a man. To call yourself a man, you are too dull. And a man that lack of wisdom and knowledge, what has remained? You are infident. So, a crying, wounded lion, continue crying because you are a crying, wounded lion.
Very true.
I am going to leave you now. I'm not going to reply you at all. I'm not going to let this to be like we are now replying ourselves. Exactly. It's going to be a taboo to myself.
Exactly.
So it will be a shame if I am now replying you.
It's true.
So I am going to be that see you. I have made you to cry day and night. But last, what I want from you is evidence.
Thank you, Mama.
Post it on social media. If I will not take it over from there.
Exactly.
This is the last you will do to women. This is the last you will do to women. This is your hand. Your hand is now.
We'll see.
I'm a curse. Continue to follow you. Because people are cursing, you said that the curse is not working. People that is watching you know that every curse people are laying on you is working.
It's working directly. Straight down.
All the curse is working double.
Straight down.
The people are laying on you. The course is really working. If I want really to do it with you on social media, I want to expose a lot of things.
Exactly.
No, I don't need it that way.
Oh, am I saying it? Am I saying it, man?
I don't need it that way. I don't want to do it because you are just a garage boy.
Exactly.
I don't want to do it like a garage boy like you. I want to do it with action. I don't need a garage boy. I want to do it with action.
We'll see.
So, a wounded lion, Baba, where they cry, you can continue crying till their kid don't come.
Thank you, Mama.
You want to cry for the national peace to reign in our land. Because we are the number one over about. So whoever you have to prove whatever you're saying about me, post it or send it to the palace. They will also let me know.
Exactly.
So wounded lion, about where they cry, the least among the whole presenters, the most foolish, impudent man. A half man that are calling yourself a man. You are not a man. You are mad. You are not a man. Remove that N and put D there. You are mad. You are not a man. So you are a mad man. So you mad man, you mad crying man, you can continue crying till their kid don't come. I don't want to send you because I have blocked you. I have blocked you. And anybody that cuts your videos and they place my picture, I don't watch. All the people that watch it, if they tell me, I know what to say. But for me to sit down and watch your video, it must be a cost to you. Your jealousy is too much. You know what is pulling you down now? Jealousy, enviness. Those are the spirit of witchcraft. Jealousy and heaviness. It really shows that the confusion in those cyberspace is you. You are the confusion. And you are a confused human being. Everything about you is confused. Look at the way you dress this morning, you are not going anywhere. You just dressed. You came out of life, you want to come and speak to people. Who are you making sense to? You can make sense to all your S there. For many days they are your S. You see, this is the same link that you see used to tie many women there. So that if you speak, they will be ashamed. Most of them are married women there. You sit tight there. But you know that you can subdue me. Or you can cage me. Or you could make sure that you intimidate me. Or you never knew that I am more than that.
It's true.
I am even more than you.
It's true.
For me to come to you, let me repeat again. Is not a mistake. If you count it that for me to go to Baba with a cry is a mistake, to whom a brain is given, wisdom is expected.
Where's the
So wisdom is expected.
Where's the mama?
So
where's the
because I know it will not stop it in my time.
Where's the